Are you still using that old telephony system with ISDN lines? Let's go back to the future and make your telephony great again. Microsoft Teams is known for video calls and meetings, but it can do so much more. Among many other things, it can make and receive regular phone calls with real phone numbers and replace a telephony system completely. It can replace any phone system like PBX or any other type of telephony system like a VoIP. It has all the same functions, making domestic phone calls, international phone calls, call queues, call waiting, announcements, plus many more. It works in any kind of device, from regular desk phones to a PC, Mac, Android, iPhone, always with the same standard user interface. Now let's do a real-world demonstration using Microsoft Teams. I'm going to take a phone call in my car using Android Auto, which is quite similar to Apple CarPlay. I can still be in the call and get out of the car, just a normal phone call, and walk to my office. And I can just start using my desktop computer and transfer the phone call from my mobile phone directly to my PC, and no one noticed that I was driving and then walking, talking on the phone, and then on my computer using my headset with a lot of comfort. Here you can see a phone call coming to a call queue, which someone else answers, and then I can see who took that phone call. I can even take phone calls using my watch. And here we can see how the voicemail looks like in Microsoft Outlook and how you can access your voicemails using the Microsoft Teams client. And here are 5 reasons why you should consider it. You're using an old phone system box in your office and you need to move away from that. You're using some sort of legacy connection like ISDN that needs to be retired. You're not happy with your current VoIP provider. Maybe they are just not that great. You want to reduce costs of legacy systems and their maintenance. Or maybe you just want to simplify things. Why is Microsoft Teams better than other phone systems? One of the main reasons is integrating with all the rest of your Microsoft 365 world. For example, using Dynamics 365, it's fully integrated, having a dialer directly inside your CRM. Your calls with your customers can be fully analyzed for intent, for note-taking, reminding you of tasks, and no other system can integrate this well with Dynamics 365. It is just an additional service on top of your existing environment. There is no need to manage a completely different third party. The system is scalable. You can just add more users when you feel like. You can use any device, no need to order desk phones. It is much simpler to use. It is the same interface you already use in Microsoft Teams. Functionality is very similar to your iPhone or your Android phone. You have visual voicemail with transcription, and you receive your voicemail also as an attachment via email if you feel like. It is as easy as it can be as a telephony system. And who will benefit the most from this solution? Probably existing Microsoft 365 customers, or if you're looking to migrate to Microsoft from Google Workspace, for example, as it deeply integrates into other Microsoft services. If you have a short deadline to migrate your phone system, we can get a new system deployed on the same day, and if you want to migrate your numbers, probably under a week. And also the new way of working remotely. We have been using Microsoft Teams for companies that have never had to have a physical office. They have workforce spread across the globe, but they have presence in several different countries as a regular company with a regular phone system, but is a lot more flexible. And you could ask me, what are the drawbacks? Well, it's not available in every single country, so you need to check on the availability list. We normally support America, UK, Ireland, and Australia. Your call quality will depend on your internet connection. If you already use a VoIP system, then it should be fine. And just bear in mind, if you're out and about on the go using 4G or 5G, yes, your call quality will rely on that. If your company needs some assistance with migration, deployment, or move your numbers from an old provider to Microsoft, we can help with that. Thank you very much. Bye.